Hi there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to create a stunning front decoration with flowers. Whether you have a small porch or a large front yard, these ideas will help you add a burst of color and charm to your home exterior. Let's get started. The first step in decorating your front area with flowers is to choose the right plants. You want to select flowers that thrive in your climate and suit your personal style. When choosing flowers, think about the colors that will complement your home's exterior. Bright colors like red, yellow, and pink can make a bold statement, while softer hues like lavender and white can create a more serious atmosphere. Mixing different color types can add texture and depth to your arrangement. Arrange the pots in clusters of varying heights to create visual interest. You can place them on porch steps, along the walkway, or beside your front door. Don't be afraid to get creative with the arrangement. Adding mulch around your flowers not only helps retain moisture, but also give your home front a neat and finished look. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe, share and like for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy decorating.